emissions, venue rental fees, mga issues sa curriculum and accessibility of the Lasallian education. These are the issues that need to be addressed by the platform that you will be voting for this coming general elections. Because we push for a platform-based elections, we take it as our responsibility to make sure that our platform is well-researched. Hindi yung in-interview ng isang tao at gumawa ng plataforma. Since January, this entire slate has been making our platform. We did issue discussions and surveys. We did intense training every night to make this platform for you so that you can vote for it this coming general elections. We believe that this is the platform that you should be voting for because this is a revolution at your fingertips. Alam niyo kung bakit nagawa namin to in how many months? Kasi ang mga kandidato ng tapat, hindi na kailangan pilitin para tumakbo. This general elections, tapat is offering you a revolution, an internal revamp of the entire student council through the university student government, concrete student handbook revisions, university-wide community development programs, and as early as now, to make the Lasallian community at the forefront of the electorate for the 2010 presidential elections. Fellow Lasallians, this is the kind of leadership that you deserve. This is a tapat leadership. Pag humarap kayo sa administration next year, ano ang sasabihin nyo? Nasa puso? Dahil may passion kayo for service at gusto ninyo yung posisyon, hindi pwede yun. You need a platform that is well-researched with student council leaders that have already had student council experience and that sit in the student council today. This is the kind of platform that you should be voting for. Basahin niyo ulit ang GPOA. Nandyan ang mga issues na kailangan nating pag-isipan. At nandyan ang plataforma na sasagot sa mga issues na yan. Kung naniniwala kayo sa isang plataforma that fights for a just and free society, vote straight tapat this coming general elections. Hello, Lasallians! We are revolutionizing nation building through a Lasallian leadership. Ako ang inyong gabay at kaakbay na tapat at lugar. Nicole Villarojo! Nicole Villarojo! Nicole Villarojo! Your student council president.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, kapwa Lasalliano. Para sa akin ngayon, naka-blue man ako, wala akong nakikitang yellow at orange. Nakikiusap ako, napakinggan natin to bilang kapwa Lasalliano. For the first 3 years of my college life here in De La Salle University, I have been part of the student council. I was a 2-time batch representative and the college assembly president of my beloved college. I have seen the students' council capacity. I have realized its full potential. I had so many dreams and aspirations for the student council. I had a vision. Natalo man ako bilang vice president for activities last student council general elections. Up to this day, I still carry with me the passion. Anong problema sa passion? I know I can deliver. I still carry with me the dreams and aspirations for our student council. During the start of the year, I had so many plans and being in the student council wasn't a part of it. For the like any other student. I was a mere spectator. I was watching from the outside. There and then, I knew that I wanted to do something about it. Kahit na 3 executive committees na ang natatalo sa amin, kahit 5 presidente ng sunod-sunod ang kabilang partido, nandito pa rin ako naglalakas loob na ipaglaban ang karapatan ng bawat Lasalliano. Sa nagdaang mga araw, kahit minsan hindi ko naisip na kami ang partidong naninira. Nagtatanong kayo, nasa ng katotohanan? For the first time, ang Santogon naglakas ng loob, maglabas ng katotohanan. Ano ba ang mali doon? Bilang respeto sa mga current student council officers, alam kong marami kayong nagawa. Pero, ang tanong ko, naramdaman ba to ng mga estudyante? Bilang respeto sa inyo, alam ko na naglalabas kami ng katotohanan. Pero minsan talaga, masakit marinig ang katotohanan. Mula sa estudyante, para sa estudyante, at ng estudyante. Tama na ang pagpapanig sa ating sariling partido. Ibigay naman natin sa mga estudyante ang karapat-dapat na para sa kanila. Isang serbisyo na walang halong politika. Isang serbisyo walang kahalong pasariling pang-interes. We do not need student politicians. What we need are student leaders. Lasalliano, dapat siguro mabahala na nga tayo. Yang sinasabi nilang internal revamp of the student council. Narinig ko nila 5 taon. Actually, wala pa ako dito. 5 taon na ang nakaraan nang nilabas ng SC President ng internal revamp. 5 taon na kayong may presidente. Bakit ngayon nyo lang ulit nilalabas ang internal revamp? Ang tanong ko, bakit ngayon nyo lang naisipan kung sabi nyo na ang sapat long-term development programs? Student council ay maipadama sa estudyante ang karapat-dapat ay kanila. At na ma-maximize natin yung boto ngayong general elections. I thought running as the student council president was the bravest thing I have ever done. But I was wrong. The bravest thing that we